Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ERBB. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and also makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now, I have done this analysis in the past, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. But after today's price action especially, definitely updates need to be made. So the first thing I'm going to do is a couple house cleaning things and just delete these lines out here. Yes, these lines still do pertain to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting to have 8 million lines all over the place that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. Now, the first update that needs to be made is just based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that have been watching the past videos, hopefully remember me talking about 0026 as resistance, but now that the price has broken and closed above it, it would be considered an area of support. And the ideal area, I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? If the price can stay up above 0026, that would make the chart look extremely, extremely healthy. But by no means am I saying that if the price drops below 0026 that everything's ruined or anything like that. Not saying that, just saying that would be the best case possible. From the bigger picture of everything, just keep an eye on that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Easiest way to look at that is as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health, and basically the trend looks about as good as it can look. So, and ever since the price got back up above it, let's see, when was that? Back around the 19th of December, you can see that now several days have passed, and the price is doing a great job of just maintaining above it and slowly drifting above it. Sure, maybe this thing's not exploding massively every single day, but nice slow drifts are how uptrends are built, and that's the whole idea. And the easiest way to, like I said, measure the slow drift, quote unquote, is as long as the price is above the purple line, then bulls are in full control. What about levels of resistance? So if this upwards move is going to continue, a big one right now is just 003. You can see the bulls knocked down the door a couple times today and couldn't quite get through it. So I'm not saying that 003 is impossible to break through. I'm just saying that according to the current story of the chart, there are some sellers sitting up there at 003. So the bulls are going to have to bring their A game to push through it. All in all, though, good solid day, higher highs, higher lows, and that's what uptrends are all about. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.